Homeowner's insurance is a contract that protects your biggest asset. Let us break down what it actually covers and how it works. At its core, this insurance is a financial safety net designed to cover repair costs or rebuilding expenses after unexpected damage. Most policies focus on replacement cost, which is the amount needed to rebuild your home from the ground up if disaster strikes. Coverage usually includes the building structure, your personal belongings inside, and legal protection if someone is injured on your property. People often confuse insurance with a home warranty. Insurance is for major disasters, while warranties handle appliance or system breakdowns. Data shows that weather events like wind and hail are the most common reasons homeowners file claims against their policies. Always check your policy annually. Construction costs change, and you want to ensure your coverage limit still matches your home's replacement value. Insurance is a key part of financial health. Understanding your policy helps you rest easier. Thanks for watching, and stay financially informed.